clip, you're watching 2015 point guard Faithlene Lopez Flores out of Bothell, Washington. You see her knock down that open jump shot there. She was at the Elite Basketball Academy Fab 5 camp in September. You see her hit another one there from almost the volleyball line. And one of the specialties that she showed is her ability to knock down this open jump shot. Now, we do predict that Lopez Flores is going to be able to kid that can play either guard position. As you see her there, attack, finish, and then be able to finish it with her offhand, no less. Right-handed shooter, finish with her left hand. Nice pull-up jumper there in transition. Defenders late on the closeout, so she knocks it down at 15 feet. This time she finds a kind of a gap there inside the defense and makes a play. Now we switch back to her side of the world. Out in Seattle, the Check Me Out showcase, ProspectsNation.com managing editor Chris Hansen set this showcase up, and you see her playing there, getting a steal right there on the sideline. You're going to see a great cut here, right in the face of the post player, and the ability to knock it down. You see how quickly she caught it, read the space, and then made the open shot. Here's another one on the kick out. So you're getting kind of a feel of her ability to make shots. Now you see her switching to a high school venue. Once again, make the read, hand down, man down, knock down that three. She's able to come here in the corner, get her feet set quickly and back around, and even knock it down doing that. So a lot of angles and ways for Lopez Flores to be a shot creator. Now you see her read the screen and roll and be able to knock down that three. In the classroom, she's holding a 4.0 GPA, so gets it done on and off the floor. National Honor Society, also was chosen for the National Society of High School Scholars, and wants to be an engineer. So her projection long-term academically and her ability on-floor athletically make her a great option for a school needing a point guard or maybe even a combo guard in the 15 class who can help stretch the floor, as you see her finishing here. 2015 guard, Faithlene Lopez Flores.